Well, good morning, beautiful people. It's actually very late morning, and Em and I have decided to have a picnic. We're going to have a picnic here in Greenfield. I was on Lazada a couple of days ago, which is like the Southeast Asian Amazon, and I found these self-cooking Asian meals, and they're from China. And so I ordered some, and this is them. And so Em and I are going to show you how it's done. Now we've got curry chicken, chili beef, mushroom beef, and shredded pork. I want to have the chili beef. What do you want?
Curry chicken.
The curry chicken. Em's going to have the curry chicken. Now, one of the interesting things about these, this is the curry chicken. Is there isn't a word of English on it. So there are no cooking instructions. So we're going to have to try to figure out exactly how they work. This is what's inside, right? So Emma's just taken the lid off. First thing is water. That's some water. What's this? This is the rice. That's the bowl you cook the rice in. That is a spoon, a plastic spoon. And this is a topping. So these two, oh right, that's the topping. And this is the exothermal heating apparatus, which we'll show you in a minute. Now in the chili beef, it's pretty much the same, I think. What's in there? The water and rice. And then the topping, the sachet with the toppings in it. And then that's the exothermal pad, and then there's a disposable spoon. All right, so this is how it works. Emma's going to pour the rice into the cooking container. So that's the rice, and they've got a little sachet of water. It's the water, and then you put. Are you putting the topping on in there now? Yeah. And which one's this one?
It's
chili beef. It's the bag of salts and minerals that eventually has this reaction that boils the water. So you put it in there and then pour room temperature water over the top of it. All right, Em's got some water. It needs more.
No, it's enough.
No. Oh, is it?
Just wait.
Right, you can see it's bubbling a little bit. Okay, hang on. All right, so that's it. It's boiling, you can see. So the rice goes on top, just like a rice cooker. And then the lid, pop the lid on. And now we're going to start the stopwatch. And it takes 15 minutes. So 15 minutes, and then we'll take the lid off the container. All right, now we'll do the chicken curry so they're almost ready at the same time. So Em's doing this as fast as she possibly can. Rice into the container. So exactly the same procedure as last time. Oh yeah, it's astronaut food. Okay, so the heat pad's gone in, and the water. Right, so the other one's gone in at 3 minutes and 30 seconds. So it'll be ready 3 minutes and 30 seconds later than the first one. So they're cooking now. I had my second booster the other day. I had Pfizer, so I've had Sinovac, Moderna, and Pfizer. And felt a bit sort of, not too bad, but that's why it's been a little while between vlogs. These self-cooking meals are just incredible. It's just amazing. We've still got about another 10 minutes, so we'll just sit around and wait for it to cook. Gee, it's a hot day. I don't know exactly what the temperature is, but this is the hottest day we've had for such a long time. Well, you can't see it. You can't see the steam, unfortunately, but if you put your hand over the little hole, it's boiling hot. Yep, so it's boiling away in there. All right, it's been 15 minutes. So we've still got another 3.5 minutes left for the other one, but the first one is ready. So, let's open. Em's going to use the spoon that comes with the pack and just mix it up. It's not a very good spoon that comes with the pack. As a matter of fact, we bought some spoons from home. Just here. A normal everyday spoon. Let's taste it. So this is it. It's really hot. And this one's which one though? Chili beef. Oh, it's really nice. It's much, much better than Mama or 2-minute noodles. Oh. It's still heating from underneath, so it's really hot. All right, and the other one's going to be ready in another 30 seconds. So I might just see what Em thinks of this. Yeah, it's hot. It's really hot.
No.
Are you saying there are no big chunks of beef?
Yeah.
Yeah, there's beef in it, but they're not big chunks. Is it spicy?
It's spicy.
Yeah, it takes a while, but it's spicy. All right, so the other one's ready. Yeah, good idea, take that out. And the other one's ready. Can you open the other one? So this one's the curry chicken that Em's opening.
Chicken curry.
Okay, mix it up.
Chicken curry, but no chicken.
It smells good. This little forky, spoony thing they give you isn't very substantial. And so you can see once you take it out, the little the pads left in there, and it's pretty much stopped boiling now. That was the first one, but it keeps boiling, or it stays hot for at least a few minutes after the 15 minutes. Oh, it's really hot. And this is the curry chicken. Oh, I think it's lovely. Very strong curry flavour. Not a lot of chicken. Oh. I love it. So what do you think? What do you think?
Chicken curry. Not a lot of chicken.
Yeah, Em's not very impressed. I think they're really delicious. I do. I think they're gorgeous. So I've got the spicy beef and Em's got the curry chicken, but she prefers the spicy beef. So, spicy beef for you, curry chicken for me. I actually prefer the spicy beef as well. But the curry chicken's not bad. and pretty ideal for a picnic. Yum! So left over we have the mushroom meat and the shredded pork. Other than the little labels in English that they put on the plastic exterior of these, there's no English at all. It's all Chinese.
Chinese or Korean?
It's Chinese, I think, because they came from China. I think these are pretty nice. So Em's decided that the chili beef's too spicy, so she's gone back to the curry chicken. It really, so I've got the chili beef, it really is pretty spicy. But I don't find it overly spicy. I think it's just right. Well, so I've finished mine, but there is one problem, the waste. And so this is the waste you get from one meal. It's pretty substantial, you know. It's not like the plastic wrapper that instant noodles come in. It's heavy plastic so that it can contain boiling water. So as convenience for a meal on the run, it gets a 9 out of 10. If you want a hot meal. Flavour, I really liked it. I don't think it's quite as good as eating at a restaurant, but I'd give it like a 7.5 out of 10 maybe. And as far as being environmentally unfriendly, I would give it a 10 out of 10.